Hello there, it's Sev from Three Counties Motorhomes and welcome to this video guide on the Whale heat control panel that you see in front of me here. Now there is a heating and a hot water version of this control panel in this round design. Today we're focusing on the heat or the heating version of this, which is indicated by the three wavy lines you see in front. The water droplet with the thermometer icon would be the water heater version of this control. So this is purely for space heating. Now the control can be brought out of standby, as you will see in a moment, just by waving your hand in front of the unit, like so. You can see it's now woken up. We have a LED segmented display that runs around the top arc of the display, and we can increase or decrease the segments using the plus or minus options, as you can see right there. This will set the various heating modes and selected temperature. The first heating mode we have is frost protection right there. Using the plus icon we can then go to the next, which is night mode. So this can be handy where, for example, you're camping in the summertime and maybe you don't want heating on during the day, but at night the temperature may just drop enough for you to require a little bit of heat. That's what this mode can be handy for. And then we can choose temperatures beyond that using the plus or minus icons. Now this particular control is gas only operation, as verified by the fact we only have a gas button in the lower center of the display. If you have the dual power mode option, there will be two particular buttons there, one for gas and one for electric, and I will do a separate video guide on that unit. So if you're watching this one, then you have probably chosen the wrong video guide if you have the dual power device yourself. Now in order to turn this on to gas, we simply press the button for the gas and it will illuminate blue, which means the gas is in standby mode, and when it is ignited and activated that should turn orange, indicating it is on and heating. And really it's quite as simple as that. Now in order to get the panel to shut down again, or for you to turn the heating off, simply wake the unit up, press the power button once more. If it has been activated before or has successfully ignited, then you will see that go from amber to blue, but then can be turned off after that. Now, if you were to have a fault or for some reason the unit is not working, it will give you a red exclamation mark somewhere in this left-hand region right here. This red exclamation mark indicates that a fault has occurred, and if you press and hold that, you will see the fault code indicated using these LED segments, but coming from the right-hand side, from the plus symbol. So, for example, a code 2 fault will have nothing but 2 of these segments illuminated on this side when you press and hold the exclamation mark. And of course then you can refer to your user manuals for diagnosis as to what that fault means and how to cure or rectify the fault. So that's the explanation of how to use the Whale Heat gas control panel, which you see in front of me. I'm Sev. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.